Hello, today we're going to look at the Microtek UPS700. It's an inverter UPS. For those who use normal UPSs, you know they last around 10 to 20 minutes. Now this is a UPS, you can put any battery that you like. I'm planning to use this one with a 200 ampere hour battery for a runtime of around 57 hours. The equipment I'm using is not that high powered. So let's unbox it. Yeah, if you open the box, this comes packaged like that. Obviously the safety packaging, the equipment at the middle. Let me try and lift it up with that one hand. It's really heavy. So it's out of the box. This is how it looks. In the box, what's remaining? The usual silica gel and some extra. So let's remove the wrapping. So if you look at the front panel, there's the mains on. Mains on is when you're using electricity. The electricity is on. When the mains on is on and you've connected a battery, if this blinks, it means the battery is charging. If it stays stationary, it means the battery is full. This is a pure sine wave inverter. You know, most UPSs use modified sine wave. Now this is a pure sine wave. It runs at 50 Hertz plus or minus 0.1. That's not a big deal. So this is a battery low. If your battery is really low and mains is not working, it will blink. This one is just a indicator. When your fuse blows, it will switch on to notify you your fuse is blown. Yeah, so let's remove this paper and move to the back. So on the back, this is the AC input. This part, you just add a plug. You see, AC input. You just add a plug to it. This is what you plug into the wall. This part is where you plug into the battery. You see, normal batteries come with a place to screw in this. You just plug into a battery. It's 12 volts. 12 volts. And then this one is just a plug for the output. If you have an extension, you just cut off the head and put this one on. This one is very firm. Okay, this one, the best use cases for this are if you have a home and when electricity goes out, you don't want it to go out. It will just keep your lights on. It will keep your lights on when the electricity goes out without you needing to switch it on when the power goes out. Okay, thank you for watching. You can check this out. In Kenya, this goes for around 15 to 20,000 shillings. It depends on the shop you'll go. Okay, have a nice day.